So, hi everyone, it's me, Denny Daniel, and I'm here with
Paul?
And Linda.
And they went through the Museum of Interesting Things. They're the early birds. It was like 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. And I have 4 packages here for them to, they're going to open one of them, but I have 4 here. One has cool stamps on it. I love the stamps people put on these things. People know that I teach kids, and they decorate the packages. And I've had people come here who are stamp collectors, and they go, that's a historic stamp that's worth a lot of money. This is the moon landing stamp.
Great.
So they know that I teach, so they actually will put historic stamps on these, and I'm saving all the good packages, and we're going to have an exhibit of our interesting packages. But I do this like a 42nd Street shell game, where I mix it up like this. Now, I remember 42nd Street shell games as a kid on 42nd Street. The only difference here is there isn't a quarter under any of these. So you don't get a quarter. So I'm mixing them up like that, and then you get to open a package, any package. You pick. And then you pick one. Okay. And if you need scissors, they're over there, and you can open them together.
Okay, well, I picked an easy one because this is just a tear, and here we go.
It's got a lip.
That's a well, right?
It's got
Open
a
it
message
nicely.
on the back.
Yeah, keep it so I can
I
read the
spoke too
message.
soon on the rip part. This is
A lot harder then.
easy open, not so much.
Yeah, whoever invented that tear over there didn't do a good job of it. Let me help you.
Yeah.
Because I'm used to doing this.
Okay.
I'll do the tape. Oh, because he taped it, that's why.
Don't cut yourself. Although then we would have a
I have some Civil War
Real
surgical
life-
tools that we
real
could...
life bloody, ghoulish movie.
Yeah, snuff film, basically. Wow, it's turning out to be much harder to open than I
Yes.
suspected.
I picked one that I thought would be easy, but it isn't.
There, I made it much easier.
Oh,
Now
yes,
can
you
kinda
did.
tear it
Thank you, thank you. The envelope, please.
out.
What I
So
found
let's-
in mine was a postcard
Actually.
with a stamp that has some value, but not much because it's a 1 cent, but it's quite old. And
Yeah.
we just actually went through a bunch of old letters from our grandparents.
Oh, wow. What's on the other
and
side?
the people in the stamp store when I took it to were more interested in the message and the pictures than they were in the stamps.
And you were interested in the stamps.
So they would be interested in the fact that it said private mailing card, authorized by an act of Congress, and that it showed something of the times, and then there's a handwritten message that says, I wish you were from the sender. You don't know who the sender is. You know it's addressed to somebody in Middletown, New York.
And what's interesting also is that this
There's no
card
number
has to
on
be
this.
from early 1900s because it's not divided. And after, I think, 1907, 1908, they started making postcards that
It
are
seems
divided. I'm going to
say
show this on
06
camera.
it, so it's probably 1906.
So this is what he's talking about, that it's got this nice stamp here, and it's not divided, which makes it early. And there's the actual postcard. Let me take it out of the plastic so it doesn't shine. And what is the image on this? I can't see so well. Oh, this is Steeplechase. This is the entrance to Steeplechase Park, Coney Island. That's really cool. That's a great postcard.
And I opened Reward of Merit.
Aren't you a teacher? Weren't you a teacher?
I was a teacher.
This is what you would have had. That's so ironic that you opened
I
this.
still teach writing. And these are, this one was given to Ada G. Fuller. And this one is faded. But they're great.
So as a teacher in the
Reward of
1800s,
Merit.
when your students did a good job, you would give them a reward of merit card. These are stunning beyond belief. They should totally give these again. I like
should.
this is the gold star,
That's the gold
but this is
star.
so far superior to a gold star. The back has nothing on it, for those of you curious. Yeah, I have a huge collection of reward of merit cards. When I found out about them, I thought they were the coolest thing. Now, I'll tell you, it's funny, I noticed, we've been doing this about 10 years, and I noticed that when people open up packages, 80% open up a package that's ironic or uncanny to their personality. And we noticed the statistic the first year, but even the staff was so spooked by it, we didn't know what to do. We were like, should we tell people? There's obviously a pattern. And then after about a year, people were literally going, "Oh my God, I'm a teacher and I opened up this," or "I come from this town." So we started realizing that the package is picking the person, and we should let people know that this is like special to you.
Interesting.
So
Are
yeah,
these
it is
photographs
odd
of
because-
these recipients, do you think, or
these
no?
are not photographs. These are probably some sort of drawing of some sort.
But I mean, it's not that
It's
kid,
almost-
probably.
No,
you
it's
think?
not, oh no, it would never
they
be
were
the kid.
generic.
You would buy, you would buy these things in packages or something, and then write it out for the kid.
Boys and
And often it
girls,
had a space to
undoubtedly.
write. So this one on the bottom has a space to write, and it would always say, well, and I've got a whole collection of them over there that are
Great.
great. And we're going to recreate these, and teachers will be able to buy them and do it again, because I just think it's the most
It's a
magical
very
thing.
good, very good
It's a
idea.
great idea. Yeah, I love these things.
Yep.
And the postcard, since you like
it
stamps.
really is
Mm.
what you just said, because it was only a week ago that I took a bunch of postcards to a stamp dealer and he explained to me that the value is not in the stamps but in the other stuff that's on it.
Oh wow, that's funny that you
And
just.
on this one you can
did
see
this.
that it was mailed from Brooklyn in 1906, September the 5th. And yet it was in somebody's collection because they hand wrote on it something as to how they collected it.
Huh.
That wasn't on the
Interesting.
original postcard.
And
that
it's an
was
early
sent.
card, like I said, because of the non-divided back. After a while, the Congress, the government made it so that you had to divide the back, and the address was here, and your message was there, and the stamp had to go there.
Yeah.
But before that, it was the Wild West, you know.
It's great.
And they finally had to like control this problem, the problem of no one knew where the address was, no one knew where the stamp went. It was just the Wild West.
Yep.
Well, we're gonna say goodbye to these guys. Bye, everyone.